Map symbolization activity. We are going to use ArcGIS Online, a program used for making online maps. We are using it for this exercise because it is easy to change how the data are displayed, so we can test some of the cartography tips we are learning. It will also give you an idea of what an online mapping program looks like. In this exercise, you will practice changing the size, shape, and color of the symbols for data in Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. Open the link listed in Step 1 to see the map and follow the instructions while I demonstrate the exercise. You are now on the ArcGIS Online website, using a map that was created earlier for this workshop. From here, click the Contents tab on the left to show the data layers available on this map. Check the box next to each one to turn them on. The first one represents bicycle crashes in Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. The second data layer shows the roads, and the third shows the border of the city. Do you notice any visual patterns in the crashes just by looking at this data? Feel free to zoom in or out to get a better look at where the crashes occurred. You will notice that the crashes occurred along roads, which probably isn't too surprising. You'll also see a number of crashes at intersections. Again, this is pretty expected. Now we're going to change how these data look. Hover your map over the Cambridge crash data layer on the left. You'll see a menu appear with different options below this data layer. Click the shapes, which represents the change style features. Right now, the data are set to show the location only and to use a single symbol. That's why every single crash is black and a circle. Click the options under single symbol. Then click the symbols link to change how the symbols look. You could change the shape of the symbols, the color, the outline color, or even the size. Feel free to play around with these different options using some of the principles you learned earlier about vector symbolization. When you're finished, click OK. You'll see there is also another option for heat map. Select this option. You'll see that the individual points were transformed into a continuous surface, or a raster. And it shows what are known as hotspots, where there are a large number of crashes. As you zoom out or in, the map changes, which we discussed earlier when we talked about scale. You can see that a lot of the crashes occurred in this one area of Cambridge, and there were fewer crashes in other areas. Feel free to continue changing how the symbology looks using either of these options to see what is available to you.